Hello everyone, my name is Natalia and from Envigo PC. Today we want to show you how to replace the glass from this iMac 27-inch 2011. So George?
Hello everybody. So as Natalia said, we're gonna be replacing the glass of this iMac 27 inches. So we have here the new part. We're gonna check first that it's the same part, just by looking at it, looking the front camera holes that are the same also. And here we have the bracket, so it should be the same part. I'm removing the broken glass. It's not too like a big deal, but this guy has the glass is cracked just right here, and we'll be adding some tape to prevent that the glass break in the removal.
Good.
So this corner here is like a lot of has like a lot of dents, so we're gonna cover that too. No. That's it. So then the following thing is
Just in this part, no?
Is removing the front glass. We're gonna put the suction cup here. Yes, because here we have a lot of cracks. So to prevent that the glass crack, okay?
All right.
Put out. It's not sticky here. So now we grab this thing.
Oops.
We grab the frame while we're doing while we are pressing the screen. So now we have a separation here. We can put our hand here just to prevent that the screen close again. We remove the suction cup and we place it over here. That's it. So the front glass is separated. We see that there are like a bunch of magnets all over the place. So this is like a 30 degrees angle, and we pull it right through us, and that's it.
Nice.
So this is the broken glass. Now we have the brand new glass. So we're gonna put it on to see if these things here match with these holes. So it match. So now what we do is we clean the screen. We have a microfiber cloth here. It's a brand new one, so we don't want to scratch the screen or do anything, okay? That's it. So as the same that we removed the glass, we're putting back the new glass. We align the tops. And leave it go back.
Sweet.
So that's it. Everything is set. We just have to remove the outer layer adhesive.
Voila.
And that's it.
Really nice job and quickly.
So thank you guys.